Addressing climate change is in the economic, social and political interest of everyone. In a world facing environmental disaster and the worst economic crisis in modern times, the call for action to stop global warming is now being echoed by trade unions everywhere. Unions from the north and south are asking governments to commit to a reduction in emissions and to adequately finance climate change adaptation strategies.
We know what the current economy has done to our home.
Hemos vivido la realidad de un modelo de producción que nos ha llevado al colapso.
Nosotros somos los primeros en sufrir las consecuencias.
We have seen what climate change can do to our lives.
Today, I think there is no more pressing, wider contextual issue than protecting the planet. All work in the end depends on natural resources. And we're exhausting natural resources, we have productive processes which are not sustainable. So if trade unions are serious about protecting jobs, they've got to protect the environment at the same time.
The effects of our actions on climate change will be felt for years to come. The heat-trapping gases we send into the atmosphere now will stay there until 2108 and beyond. Each day that goes by, the threat grows. Each day we delay means greater suffering and a higher cost for future generations.
El cambio climático es el mayor riesgo al que nos enfrentamos.
Climate change is the biggest challenge we face, and it is a threat to the society as we know it. It is the most fundamental ethical problem of our age.
Fundamental. Aquellos que van a sufrir las consecuencias del cambio climático.
Those who are most at risk are those who are not able to adapt, and they are the ones less responsible for the problem.
A worldwide average increase of 3 degrees centigrade in our lifetime will result in increased droughts, extreme weather events, tropical storms, and sea level rises in large parts of the world. Small island states and coastal zones will be threatened. In many regions, the effects are already being felt, causing widespread human suffering and in particular the loss of lives, livelihoods and jobs for the poorest communities. More than 2 billion people are directly exposed to the impacts of climate change.
We are the millions who have an opportunity to decide what future we want for our planet. As trade unions, we will rise to the challenge of achieving a sustainable world.